Hey everyone, okay, so concealer. We know it can do beautiful things, it can brighten up the eye, it can do gorgeous things for the face, but there comes a point and a certain age where baking underneath the eye can make matters look worse. If you are dry under the eyes, if you are over the age of 12, excessive baking can make the under eye area look much older, drier, cakier, and just unattractive. Yes, it will look brighter. No doubt, there's no doubt it will look brighter, but it will make you look older. Here's my thoughts on this process. Apply your concealer. It's good. Apply whatever you want, the amount you want. But it's the powder we want to kind of be careful about here. Instead of packing it on underneath the eye in some insane manner, just use the faintest amount, all you need. Don't use any more than you need. The minimal effective dose, that's all you want. Tap it gently into this area and then use a touch of setting spray. Honestly, in this area, the less we do, the better. The less products, the less build-up, everything. It's a problematic area. Treat it as such. Treat it with kindness and just don't overload it. Honestly, your skin will look better. You will look younger. You may not look brighter, but you will look younger. See you next time. Bye-bye.